vsco.
Hi guys, it's Alexis. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be trying to remake some album covers. I don't know how it's gonna be. I don't have like a whole setup or anything. I'm just gonna try and do it in my room with like a white sheet and makeup. So focus. I'm not like a Photoshop whiz or anything, so these might not look like amazing, but I'm gonna do my best. Hi guys, it's Alexis from the future. So what I kind of forgot to include in this video is me editing the pictures. I'm realizing now that would have been a really nice touch to add, but I just want to state real quick that I only use like a couple apps on my phone. I used an app called Superimpose, which I've been using forever, and VSco for like lighting and stuff. It's also kind of like just a quick jump from me filming it and then there's the finished product, so I apologize for that. Next time if I do a second video, I'll include my editing process. So thank you guys, bye. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom. I changed into a bandeau because in Georgia's album, like it's so zoomed in that you can't really see any clothes. Now we're gonna move on to some makeup. She doesn't look like she's wearing really anything, but my skin isn't that flawless, so I think I'm just gonna put some BB cream on. Pretty much this whole video is me working with what I have because I thought this would be really fun to do. Oh, we have one. That's perfect. I just need one. Her hair is like gone, like it's not in this picture. Slick my hair back somehow. There. Okay. Alright, let's go into my room. Oh lord. Alright, hi guys. My little light is in the way. She's so close to the camera. Wait, why can you see my hair and you can't see hers? So we're just gonna do full top knot. I guess that's better. This is so hard. I can still see my hair. The frick, bro. I'm sweating. You know what? I think that's good. Okay, hi guys. I can't really talk very well because the stickers keep falling off my face, but I'm doing the Hot Girl Bummer album cover, and this is fake blood. I don't understand how her lips go like that. They kind of look like she has lip injections, and she has a little blood on her teeth, and I don't have the earrings, but maybe I'll Photoshop them in. Her nose is like at the tip. Hopefully that's good. Like her lips go like that. I'm twitching. I'm really struggling. Hi guys, it's Alexis from the future. I'm editing this right now and I realized that 2 of my videos for clairos just like were corrupted. Pretty much what is in those videos is just me getting ready for it. Sorry. See, area looks splendid. This is I have. Yeah, I think those will work. Feeling really itchy. I just finished editing what I think will work, but I'm not super proud of it because I just couldn't get the angle right and I was just sweating and sweating. Okay guys, hi, this is the fake blood from the Hot Girl Bummer. I thought I'd bring you guys into the bathroom with me. I'm gonna put on the after hours blood and this is probably gonna be a mess. I'm not gonna do like exactly because first of all, he has facial hair. Do my own twist to it, like have my hair down. And I don't have studs, but I was thinking maybe I'll Photoshop them in. Okay guys, hi, this is the fake blood from the Hot Girl Bummer. I thought I'd bring you guys into the bathroom with me. I'm gonna put on the after hours blood and this is probably gonna be a mess. I'm not gonna do like exactly because first of all, he has facial hair. Do my own twist to it, like have my hair down. And I don't have studs, but I was thinking maybe I'll Photoshop them in. Let's do this. Yeah. This is my red Solo cup full of fake blood. Hi guys, I put it on. The lighting's definitely like coming from above and the camera's like right in front of his face. Trust the process. I'm starting to pick out the outfit for Conan Gray's album. My little setup, sorry, it's so messy. Oh my gosh. These jeans are way too big for me. This is pretty much what I have to work with. I have this, the black, I have the docs, but they're these ones. Everything's falling. It's like hunched over. Let's just see how that came out. I'm looking through what I got in the first round and yeah, I don't know. I have a couple of the Conan Gray ones that I kind of like, but I know I can perfect it, so I'm just gonna see if, like, I want to see what else I can do. Okay, I think I can get this. Alright, we got it. Alright, Conan Gray, I'm gonna make you proud. Hi guys, it's me. I have this wig and it's curly and I'm gonna do the Ashley O from Black Mirror, and definitely I don't look anything like Miley Cyrus, so I'll have to like Photoshop the eyes and stuff, and I'm not wearing makeup right now, but I figured I could just smooth out my skin and stuff. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom and we're gonna try and take the joji picture, but I'm not sure. I have to turn the lights off. Let's just see. Oh, this is creepy. Oh, this hurts my neck. It's like, oh, now I'm thinking of it this way. I think it is. Oh my god. Hopefully I got something. I'm gonna look at those right now and see if I got anything. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm looking at my footage again and it looks as if my outro deleted, so that really sucks, but I'm gonna take the time now to film it, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming, and I honestly will do another one if you guys want me to. Just leave a like and give me a comment what you want, which one you want me to remake. If it's easy enough, I can do it. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I love you guys so much. Have a great day, night, bye.